Welcome back. I am Pankaj Thakur. Today we'll discuss how to import data from Microsoft Excel file to SPSS. You can directly enter your data in SPSS, Microsoft Excel or any other data analysis software. Or if you have recorded or entered your data into Microsoft Excel and you want to perform some statistical test, preferably in SPSS for any region, you can easily import your Excel data to SPSS. So let's start. Before importing your Excel data to SPSS, kindly ensure that all your variables should be in the first row of Excel sheet. As you can see in this particular sheet, all your variables like place, age of the respondent, educational qualification, and number of family members, and different other statements, they have been placed in the first row of Excel sheet. And the second thing that you have to ensure is you have to code your questions like I have coded this first question as Q1 and second question as Q2 because it helps you in recognizing your variables in SPSS. So these two things are important before importing your Excel data to SPSS. This is SPSS window. First you have to go to file menu and then from file menu to open and from open to data. As you can see, the files of type here is SPSS statistics.sav. So you have to change this file type to Excel which have the different extensions. So first you will change this file type and select the location where the Excel file has been stored. So in this case, I have stored the Excel file in desktop. So I will go to the desktop and from desktop, I will select the Excel sheet which contains the data that I want to import from Excel to SPSS. So I will select this sheet and then click open. Once you click on open button, you have another pop-up menu, and in this pop-up menu, as you can see, there is a tick mark read variables name from the first row of data. That means the first row in which all the variables has been listed in the Microsoft Excel will be considered as the variables in SPSS. And in this worksheet, as your one file of Microsoft Excel may have different sheets, so you can select any sheet from the Microsoft Excel that has to be converted into SPSS data. So now you will click OK and your work has been done. All of your variables has been listed here under the name column, and in this particular view you have to define the variable properties as we have discussed in earlier videos. So this is the type where you can change the type from numeric, strings or different other types, and you can specify the width and you can specify the number of decimal places. You can give labels, and in value column you can specify the values for different variables, and also for the measure you can change this measure. As you can see, for the age may be an on ordinal scale, so you can select the ordinal scale for age. Also for educational qualification you can select the ordinal scale, and for these statements you can select the scale that contains both interval and ratio scales. So this is the way you will have to improve your SPSS sheet that you have imported from Excel data. As you move to the data view, you can see all your variables are on the top, and the responses of the respondents, they has been listed in the below rows. Thanks for watching.